Hi friends, welcome to Prisara. So in this video I'm going to show you nowadays the client's requirements are like the budget has to be minimum, but the complete blouse has to look very grand and shimmering with all the designs highlighted. So likewise this client also the budget was minimum, and but still she wanted the sleeves to be more grandeur, and also she wanted a wide neck, deep neck. So according to her requirements we have customized this design, and we have used the original kundan stones. You can see how shimmering it is, and since the sari is of the same color, we didn't have any other color combination to be used, and it's a silver zari sari, so we have used completely silver beads, and only the kundan stones we have used with a little golden border so that it will enhance the design. And sleeves, you can see we have highlighted the border design like I said yesterday in the brocade design. We have, whenever there is a design, we have to highlight whatever is there in the fabric, otherwise the design will not be looking good. So same way we have highlighted the design, and apart from that we have just given lines because she wanted the full sleeve to be covered and the budget was minimum, so we suggested the lines with along the kundan stones in it, so it looks grand and also it's budget friendly. So if you are looking to customize your blouses, if you're going to be a bride and looking to customize your blouses, looking for an embroidery manufacturer to customize in best price, then you can contact the number on the screen. All the designs are available in our catalog. You can also just send a hi message in WhatsApp and you will get the catalog link. You can check all the designs available in catalog and you can choose any, or you can give us a reference picture and we'll customize the same. And you can also give us your measurements and we will stitch it and dispatch it to your address. We take both online and offline orders. For offline orders, you can directly visit our store in Bangalore, and for full address and details you can contact the number on the screen and take an appointment before visiting. And if you're looking to join for classes, we have the summer special course which offer. It's just 1499. All the basics are covered in this course. This blouse you'll be able to do it once you join this course. It's complete of bead work and the kundan stone work. So people joining for our summer quick course will be able to do this kind of blouses, and all the measurements, how to take the measurements, how to do the embroidery, the basic tracing techniques, and complete business training will be covered in this course. Or like how to prepare your catalog, how to take orders, how to do marketing and price fixing strategies, everything will be covered in this course. And also net embroidery techniques are covered, a complement in this course, and free material kit worth rupees 999 with free home delivery within India is also covered in the summer quick course. So it's available in 3 languages. It's pre-recorded video section and all the details are given in the description below, and if you're interested you can check the link and you can join the course. And thank you for watching.